Hi everyone, I'm going to be taking you through the process of making your computer faster or fixing the slow issue problem, and I'll take you straight away. So now get to File Explorer and make sure that you're able to see the drives, the one that has the main Windows operating system. For this case, it is drive C and it's the only one on this PC. But if you have multiple, you still have to locate the one that actually contains operating system Windows for this case. So I'm running a Windows 11 computer, but for Windows 10, you'll simply right click on this and go to Properties, and you'll be able to, it will show you this cleanup option here. But for Windows 11, you might have to search it up like this, and when you type in disk, it should be able to show you this. So click on this, and then it will be able to open a new window. And in this, as you can see right now, we only have 14.7 MB that we can gain by deleting these two checked files. So whenever you check, it increases the size that you're going to be able to delete. So for example, in this, if we keep checking this, it keeps increasing. So by doing this, it means it's going to delete. This is the space that you're going to gain. That is total amount of disk space you gain after deletion of these selected files. So go ahead and clean up the system files. Click this, and this will gain you more space should this drive have requirements for disk space. That is one. Then after that step, go to the second step, which is running your app, and that is a run app. So you click on this, run the app. That is, then it will bring you a dialog on the left bottom. So on that, you're going to type in percentage temp percentage. So yeah, that is percentage temp percentage. Then click OK. So what this does is that it takes you to a temporary folder. So you can select all these. You actually select all these and delete. So when you click on delete, it will show you, it will bring you this and say that maybe this file can be deleted. The reason why, it's maybe because it's being used. So you can skip. You can do this for all items and skip. Then it will leave those files that are being used and proceed. Yeah, then after that, when that is done, you go, after deleting all the files here, continue ahead to step number 3. Go to updates, search for updates. So when you search for updates and you put in the word update, it should bring you to check for updates. So click on this. So now in Windows 10, there are two different functions here. So in Windows 10, you go down for more properties, and you'll be able to see where there is the dates, where you can set dates. But for this Windows in particular, there's pause the updates. So you check, when you check what's under, there's extend for 1 week, extend for 2 weeks, extend for 3 weeks. So you can push your updates to a certain number of weeks, or up to a time you feel like you're able to reboot and resume those updates. So that alone will stop you from always updating whenever they come, because then that will mean that it's going to slow you down severally. So yes, once that is done, go ahead and go to the startup. So we do have apps that start up with when you're starting a PC. Type in here startup. You search for startup apps, and it will bring you the startup apps that normally start. So there are a lot of apps that you end up using when you're starting the PC, when you don't actually need them. For example, I do not need this Copilot, so I'll turn it off. I do not need maybe this, I turn it off. So you turn off whatever you know. But for apps like related to Realtek or HD audio drivers, do not turn them off. In short, turn off the ones you actually know. So once that is done, your PC should be much faster by now. And thank you very much. Yeah, follow for more, subscribe as well, and give me those likes. Thank you.